Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just gonna be another vlog. Today I have a couple things to do. I'm gonna start off by washing my car. If you guys don't follow me on my Instagram, you guys didn't see that I freaking crashed my car. So it is so dirty and it's so bad. I'm not gonna show where it looks extra bad because I am making a little story time video just to like tell you guys what happened and then show you guys everything, and then yeah. But today is the origins meet and I had planned to go already for a while, so I'm still gonna go even though my car looks a little rough, but it's okay. Things happen, accidents happen, we are only human. But my car is filthy. The inside is full of dirt because my windows were down when I did crash, and there's just like a bunch of dirt in here. You can see everything is so dusty. My seat is gross. My whole dash is like covered in dust. I don't know, it's just bad. Yeah, be on the lookout for that story time video. You guys can see what happened, and then I am gonna make a video on like trying to fix it up and everything. I started fixing it up a little bit, so there's like one little patch that looks like really good now. So yeah, my method that I am doing is working, and I am gonna show you guys what I am doing to remove all the scratches and everything. But that is for another video. This is today's video. I'm going off on a tangent. Right now, I'm going to wash my car. It's starting to get hot, so I shouldn't have waited this long. It is still pretty early in the morning, honestly, but I want to get it washed before I go anywhere. Then after this, I'm going to my friend Tony's little birthday party celebration he's having. So we're gonna go to that for a little bit, and then afterwards head to the origins meet. It's not until 9 o'clock, so there's some time, but I have to head out all the way up there to like the IE area. So this is what we are cleaning up. I put some tire cleaner on. Yeah, it's pretty dirty. It is all clean now, thankfully, and I'm ready now to go. It is currently 4:30, and yeah, I'm very excited. Also, these earrings is from my friend's little jewelry store. They are so cute, so you guys should go check them out, or if you know someone that would like them. She just launched her website today, so I'm so excited. I've been like posting it everywhere because I'm so happy for her. You guys should definitely go check them out. She has the best jewelry, and that is all I wear like ever since she started it up because they're my favorite. So yeah, if you guys want to go get some earrings, make sure to go follow her or go to her website. Or if you guys want to buy someone some earrings, this is a perfect spot. And yeah, also she is like the best person in the world. I've made a video with her actually going to an origins meet. That's kind of funny.
The lady messed up.
We're getting our tacos.
Who's been giving them girl stuff? Bro, for real. Hey, bring the stuff they brought for your birthday. I think I have everything.
You got girl.
He gave me gift cards without anything in it. Another gift card with nothing in it. This is dope. Stitches like us. Fortnite. What's it be? I don't fucking, you didn't even hear the turbo. I think it's soft. Maybe soft.
I already know it's gonna be a big old traffic jam. This is the first traffic jam that we are coming into. Guys, look at this. This is literally biggest car meet in Socal. Bro. He's gonna block for us to go in.
I ain't shit. I ain't shit. Hey, I ain't gonna hit shit.
They're fighting.
Thank you, bro.
So yeah, obviously my car's not going up there. That thing is.
It looks like you lost another one.
We're getting escorted by Milan himself.
Yep, Milan is escorting us.
My boy's already fucking already. Why are you stopping? My boy, you made it.
You've been telling me.
Yeah. Oh, I'm fucking.
That's rude.
Sorry.
Like you lost another one.
the color of blue that I want to do on my car though.
Yeah, this shit.
Look at the sparkles.
Oh, I can fucking.
Yeah, bro, they rip. This color rips at night. Dude, this is way different. That's what I was saying. Once I do this color, bruh, it's over for the blue 86s.
Like you lost another one.
Start moving over this way. Let's start gathering everybody down. Hey, who had a good night? Who had a good night? Hey, we are so glad that all of you came out. We want to thank everybody for making this an amazing night. Origin.
Look, there's Dan.
Dan FRS.
Dan's FRS.
The not so famous dude.
You are famous. Spitting his game.
Looks like you lost another one.
You got Chucky and shit.
Denise in the house and my brother.
crowded.
Yeah, everyone was like packed like sardines in here.
No, literally.
It was bad. I couldn't even look at the cars that much.
I know when we were looking for you guys, I was like, how am I supposed to find you?
Yeah, and then the service was bad. It was so packed.
Change color too, though. So.
It's crazy, but